Hey, okay, let's go. All right, we're gonna move into our first intermediate battle for the trophy. It's going to be Long Beach versus West LA.